Hi, welcome to Statistics and Biostatistics Data Analysis from the Scratch course. We hope so that this course will meet your expectations. In this course, we will try to provide you best of the contents so that you guys will understand the statistical tools in a better way. In statistics, we analyze, interpret, and present the data in the meaningful form. Statistics was always a very important domain in academia and the research. But in today's world of the machine learning and artificial intelligence, the statistics is very important to handle the data. It does not matter that from which field you belong. Either you are a biologist or the data scientist or economist, you may need the statistical tool to analyze your data in your domain so that you can plug them into the machine learning models. Now, you may be worried that how can I learn the statistics? The statistics is scary. Please don't worry, we are here for you. In this course, we will take start from a very scratch and slowly build your concepts so that you could have a better understanding of the statistical methods. We promise you at the end of this course, you will be able to perform most of the statistical analysis by yourself. In this course, we will provide you the theory lectures for the better understanding of the statistical tools. Then you will have the coding exercises to perform the statistical analysis by yourself in R. After the coding exercises, you will have the assignments so that you can test your skill set in your local R studio. And after the assignment, you will have the quizzes. If you're a beginner, then the coding may be difficult for you and you may encounter many different errors. We can understand it really well that this could be really frustrating. But please don't worry, we are here for you. Please let us know about your errors. We assure you that we will try our level best to help you out to go through these assignments and the coding exercises. We will always welcome your questions and the messages, and we will try to respond them within a 48 hours of the time window. So what you are waiting for? Let's begin this course and let's start our first module, which is an introduction of the data. We hope so that this journey will be really enjoyable for you.